County ma Migori en ni Jagoro mongirore migao no ero mar East Africa Community laktar Kevit Desai oromo okwayo jogweng' modak e boda manitiere e boma no ero ma Isebania County ma Migori kono ero mondo tima tek mar neno ni osigisiro ohala e kind pinje mar konyo uchumi mapachoka indi. Koloso Isebania kono ero e kinde romo moro mabende no bedo godo kod johala owacho ni dwaro nitiere mondo chiere weche mag uchumi mapachoka indi mabende osebedo kod chochni maka kod kacha kaluwore kod muoch matuo mar COVID-19 e pachoka indi. Omedo wacho ni piny owacho mapachoka indi oseketo tenge omenda manyalo romo bilion 1 mar gero chiro moro maduong' mabende ong'ere kaka East Africa Border Market mabende ichan gere boma no ero ma Isebania.
And you can stay behind if you want to have some questions.
Okay. Of immigration, Desai, osir, and then this is the Isebania one.
The regional twende weze kupanua kufungua.
Equally, the Ugandans are also frustrating us in Migingo Island. They are living, geographically Migingo Island is in our territory, but the Ugandans are living our people. Their annual fees that they charge, na kuna ingine ya kila siku, usipotoa samaki, unapigwa. We must not allow those things to take place.
The meeting today took place with respect to the OSBP and the important role it plays in the transformation of cross-border trade. The call to all the traders that existed here, including all the stakeholders, which included the private sector, the county government, the national government, as well as all the different agencies that are part and parcel of trade, were present. And the objective was to ensure that everyone appreciates the important role that OSBPs play in the innovation of trade. The different multiple agencies that exist here are there to complement and promote greater levels of health, security and safety of trade. The development of a safe trade market. One of the directives that the President Kenyatta has provided to his government is that we create Jumuiya markets, which are smart markets, essentially promoting greater organization of informal and cross-border trade. It becomes absolutely necessary in COVID-19 times that we look into these safe trade markets with a view of ensuring that they meet healthcare regulations, safety regulations, security regulations, and that they are aggregators by way of ensuring that they're able to create information and awareness and greater sensitization on how to trade across borders. We have reacted as the government as best as we could by ensuring that as we progressed with the disease, and indeed it was an uncertain situation, that we ensured that we not only met healthcare regulations but that we